This morning, new signs of the defense team on offense as Bryan Kohberger's lawyers appear on the hunt for ways to avoid trial, now trying to discredit the investigative tactics police used to zero in on him.
Detective Nari.
A Moscow police detective who helped prepare the analysis of Kohberger's cell phone data, facing tough questions.
But you didn't save your work.
You did not create a sessions log.
Investigators created a map of Kohberger's alleged activities before and after the killings of 4 college students, Madison Mogen, Kaylee Gonsalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin, stabbed to death in their off-campus home near the University of Idaho in 2022. Kohberger's defense has tried to argue he wasn't near the house when the murders happened and was out driving around that night. His attorney trying to poke holes in how investigators failed to preserve video of the main roads around Moscow.
What did you learn?
That they do not regain those.
An attorney for the family of Kaylee Gonsalves called the defense team's strategy a ruse.
They just try to attack the process rather than having any evidence of them at all. You know, look over there, look over there. Don't look at the evidence.
Authorities say cell phone records show Kohberger's phone leaving his apartment in Pullman, Washington, and traveling south in the early morning hours of November 13th. One possible hole in the case, his phone apparently turned off for at least 2 hours, the exact period of time authorities believe the murders took place. Authorities also pointing to surveillance video allegedly showing a white Hyundai matching Kohberger's vehicle casing the victim's house on the night of the killings. Meanwhile, Gonsalves family attorney Shannon Gray says the litany of pretrial hearings is incredibly difficult.
Families need something to look forward to. They need something to happen in the cases rather than just hearing motions all day long, every day of every month.
So we're still waiting to see where this trial will be held,
Yes.
if it will be moved. There's still no trial date. I feel like this thing keeps going on and on. So when might we see a trial date?
Well, right now, they're still so bogged down in even what kind of evidence has to be exchanged. That's what this fight is right now.
Yeah.
Next week, they're going to bring in even more witnesses on that very subject. And then next month, they're going to hold a hearing about where the trial should take place. And then maybe then, and I say maybe because there have been so many moments where I thought, okay, now we're going to get a trial date. Maybe then, after that gets settled, we'll finally see the trial date, guys.
Okay. All right. Thank you,
Yeah.
Laura.